If your account has been blocked and you are sure you are not a cheater, congratulations, you can now unblock your account. You're welcome to my channel. Do subscribe for more 5 billion sales updates. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to unblock your account step by step to avoid withdrawal denial. Do not skip any part of this video so you don't miss the vital point. And here is 5 billion sales solution to locked account. So solution: locked out after security challenge. Quite simply put, if you were locked out recently on the security identity challenge, then you failed to confirm who you are. This is your fault. Wow. The details you were expected to enter in the challenge were very simple. Repeat the details you entered into your account to join. Forgetting the details you registered with is a major red flag, considering there are high-level fake factories manufacturing fake users to earn $1.60 per day, 100,000 times a day, 365 days a year, and there are over 100 of them so far. If you cannot confirm your registration details, you can only blame yourself. If we close or delete your accounts, it means by law we delete all the data collected from browsing and your personal data, and you are only referred to by username, which is our property. If you register with fake or wrong information, you are not only worthless to us as a cell data user, as we cannot categorize your data correctly, you are also a liability and we must remove you from the business, which we will do even if you are KYC, and we do it fast. Then there is the street level entrepreneur who is knocking out 10 fake accounts a day by offering passers-by $5 for their identity to create a KYC affiliate and sell data accounts. But can this be real? Street level entrepreneurs hiring people to do KYC for them to create KYC. Is that possible? Well, anything is possible. If people are really doing this, then it's amazing. We have reports of walk-in shops where people can photocopy their ID for the boss to earn, wow, really? To earn $1.60 from 50 staff in the backroom logging in and verifying themselves 20 times a day on different accounts. Wow. So where is the proof? 5 billion sales have seen the chat rooms where members share how to cheat KYC and fake accounts and the excuses used to explain why. We see the unhealthy way people treat and misuse the 5 billion offer to build their browsing data and will block certain locations if it continues. Can you imagine? So that means perhaps they will soon block some location. 5 billion sales is for everyone, everywhere. There is no limitation, no barrier. But I think 5 billion sales are planning to block some locations right now. Leaders need to be aware of this and control how their people promote. There needs to be a warning of what will happen if people get out of control. Do you think we've managed to warn you yet? So think again before creating your profile with a fake contact number, an address that you cannot remember, or similar. We will test you frequently and lock you out instantly if you cannot tell us your details of membership. You can complain as much as you like. Wow, these people don't really care. But if you cannot repeat your registered details, you are gone whether you have KYC or not. Leaders can complain as much as you like. Wow. We are not going to listen. We set the KYC, we set the checks. After all, we are the business that is responsible for who is onboarded, not you. If you do not like how we protect the business and community and only interested in dollar, the exit is here. Scroll to support and select delete my account. We do not need you. For all you people that want to earn $1.60 a day from your data, but not happy with just that a day, so you have to make multiple accounts and in doing so destroy the community and ecosystem around you. The same advice applies. Scroll to support and delete your accounts and data. We do not need you. Now, for the people that have been locked out because of failing the security challenge, we are preparing a waiting room to help you after failing. The security check where you can apply to be rechecked and permitted access. However, it is point based on whether you can remember your registered name and first line of address, your city and country to begin with. Then you will be expected to provide proof on a live video call. We will post on Telegram when this feature is available. However, do not ask support for information as it cannot be supported. For all the honest people that have been asked, taught, or encouraged to cheat on 5 million sales, send an email to get rid of the cheaters. Really? Okay, this is amazing. 5 billion sales is really doing everything possible to flush out fake accounts from their system. And if this is truly, or like if this is real, like people are really cheating the system and paying people on the street to perform KYC, then that's not good. That's abnormal. That's very, very annoying. So I don't know. All I say is 5 billion sales. We go any length to clean out any fake account. But the truth is, there are lots of people that have been affected by this kind of security check. People that are real just with one account, but probably some forgot their security code, some forgot one little thing or the other, and their AI has been malfunctioning or misbehaving or doing more than expected. All right. So these people need to be considered. And here are 3 steps to unlock your account. First, you have to look out for unlocking updates on the Telegram official announcement channel. So if you are not yet there, please go and ensure that you join the channel. And secondly, you have to watch out for the waiting room. And third, you have to be ready for a live video with the 5 billion sales team. And this team are called the Team 8. So as you get prepared to unlock your account, these are what you need to do. First, you have to remember your correct registered address while you were doing your registration, which includes your city and your country. And secondly, you have to get your KYC document ready. And in my next video, I'll be explaining to you the recommended document for your KYC. Ensure you subscribe and watch out. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop a new video. Bye.